I cannot wait to bring you this gorgeous model home that I'm standing in by Century Communities. Now, this home has all the bells and whistles, and this floor plan is spectacular. Now, this home comes with 4 bedrooms plus a main floor office plus a loft upstairs, and it's about 2,940 square feet. Now, there's also a full unfinished basement on this property, and it has 3.5 bathrooms and a 2-car garage. Now, this builder is taking about 4 to 6 months on build out for new construction, and this model here is finishing in the low 800,000 range at this time in March of 2024. So before we head out and take a look, I'm Kathy Hansen. I'm a local area realtor. I'm also a suburban mom. All of my contact information is here, and it will also be in the details section and the comment section below. If I can help you in any way, answer any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out. Now let's go check out this beautiful Century Communities model home. my gosh, did you love this home? Is it not gorgeous? This floor plan is a really good floor plan. It flows in my opinion. And that kitchen, oh my gosh, the size of it and all of the cabinets and the huge pantry makes this place spectacular. So if you want more information about it, please don't hesitate to reach out. Again, I'm Kathy Hansen, a local area realtor, suburban mom, and I would love nothing more than to help you with your real estate needs here in the Denver metro area.